Good evening, everyone. I am. It is May 29, Thursday, and it's 9:57 p.m. So I'm currently working on my 3D design to midterms. So, actually, may isa pa. Hindi pa naman namin kailangan gawin this week. Pero maarte ako, overachiever ako. Ano ko magagawa ako? Ayun, dahil maarte ako and overachiever ako, tonight, we're gonna party. Party daw! So, OA ng sister na to. Grabe, alam nyo, sobrang grabe, sobra. Sobrang sakit ng mata ko and ng ulo ko. Like, papatanggal ko to. Ipapapalit ko to. Di ako nagbibiro. Gusto nyo, may lighting pa ako. Ayun, nabulag. Wow. Ang arte, mag-aaral lang siya. Mag-aaral lang. Hindi mag-aaral. Gagawa lang ng activity. So, ayun na nga, back to the main point of the point is gagawa ko ng dalawang activity sa 3D. Hindi pa siya kailangan gawin right now. Gusto ko lang siyang matapos na. Kasi, di ba, midterms namin ngayon. Bakit hindi ka nag-on? Apang. O, di ba, nag-on. Tignan mo. Magko-connect na siya. O, nag-connect. Tinatago ba dapat to? Ganyan. Oo, naman nito. Ato ako. Artista. Uy, artista ba? Asan na? Ayoko na! Ang daming nangyayari sa mundong to. Siyempre, maarte tayo. Gusto natin ang gagamitin yung magnet. Hindi naman nakatapat. So, ito na. From the start ulit. So, tonight, I am going to do my spaceship for my 3D midterms. Ay, ang OA. Sobrang laki. My major is IT AGD. Animation and Game Development. So, part sa pag-make ng game is 3D designing kasi syempre gagawa ka ng assets for the game. Tapos, you also need to learn how to make them in high poly and low poly. Kasi if high poly siya, it's gonna take up too much of your, your hardware. So, magtatagal siya mag-render. Diba, alam niyo yung pag sa game, yung puro loading shaders. Oh, sobrang tagal, diba? Ibig sabihin, napaka-OA. Ganon. I mean, that's how I understand it. That's how I learned it. So, for this 3D lesson, we're learning how to put textures na using Substance Painter by Adobe. Yung gamit ko nga palang software is Maya. So, di ba nga, today is March naman, May 29. And it's 10:02 na. Alam nyo, hindi tayo matutulog tonight. Walang tulugan. Bawal. Alam nyo bakit? Overachiever kasi ako. Gusto ko tapos na kasi agad lahat ng gagawin. Etong mga activities namin, like, dahil midterms ngayon, hindi siya lahat due ng midterms. Pwede siyang tatapusin namin hanggang, like, ipapasa namin until finals. Gets nyo ba? Ang gulo ng pag-explain ko, no? Basta yung deadline ng lahat ng activity namin sa finals pa. Ayun, yun. So, ang activity pa lang namin this midterm is yung crate. And then we're gonna make a trim sheet. Tapos spaceship. Yung crate, nagawa ko na, di ko pa nalagyan ng texture. Tapos yung trim sheet, huhuli ko na yan kasi di ko pa nababasa ang tutorial. Pero ang spaceship uunahin natin. So, ito una natin gagawin. You know what it is? You know what it is? It's Rick and Morty spaceship. Pero maghahanap pa ako ng other references. Teka. Stop it a little bit. Gusto ko lagyan siya ng ganito eh. Kasi ma-arty ako eh. Oh my God, what if nakabukas na lang siya? Ayan, may isa pa akong reference. Oh, magkakasama pala siya. Sana meron, ayan sa loob kita. Sobrang grabe, sobra naman, talaga naman. Grabe naman. Do you guys think I should put Rick and Morty inside? Siyempre naman. Siyempre, overachiever tayo. Pero pag tinamad ako, di ba? Anyway guys, I'm currently drinking coffee from Sweet Street. You know that? Sweet Street coffee. And I asked them to put it with honey. Kasi I love honey and I love iced Americano. It works naman. Okay. Magkukwento muna ako for my agendas of the week. Feeling ko ang ingay-ingay ko kaya tatahimik na muna ako. Alam nyo, makakalahati ko siguro yung kape. Hindi pa ako nakakagawa. Gusto matayo ko pa siya gawin. Pero gusto ko na siya matapos. Kasi ito ang mantra ko sa school, guys. Yo, bakit ka nanginginig-nig-nig? Naga-earthquake ba? Wow, nakita niyo yan? Ako nakita ko yan. Anyway, ang mantra ko nga kasi sa school is, before pa mag-deadline, tatapusin ko na siya. Kasi alam mo yan, para pag like kunwari, ayan, ngayon, midterms pa lang, pero tinapos ko na yung mga kailangan gawin. Para pag may bagong binigay, tapos agad. Basta tinatapos ko agad lahat. Para, mas matagal akong hayahay na lang. Tsaka ang fun kaya nun, lahat sila nasa stress na, sila parang, anong gagawin ko? Ayaw na. Tapos ako parang, tapos na eh. Well, natapos ko na siya last month pa eh. O diba? Pero kasi tinatapat pa. So it's a circle. So I have like 2 ways to go about it. Which is, yung first, I can like start from a sphere and then, extrude. But what I'm planning to do is just make like 1/4 lang of the circle. And then this one, actually, kahit nga yung half na, like just make the half of the circle. And para uniform siya, I'm just gonna copy the half and then mirror it sa other side. And I'm done! Tapos after nun, ang ilalagay ko na lang si Rick at si Morty. Napakagaling naman, napakahusay nga po. Sakit ang ulo ko. Ano ba? Hindi ko na alam ano sasabihin ko kasi, alam niyo yun, parang akong jumping jacks. Jumping from one topic to another. Okay, topic number 1. Lately, yan, sakit-sakit ang ulo ko. Like, masakit siya dito. And then, sasakit na siya dito. And then, who the hell? Who the hell are you? Wait, I think that's my friend. What the hell? Who the fuck is that?
It's Zach and Cam.
But why are they here?
The pod.
Whoa! They're farting. Why are they farting? They're farting who is this? Oh my God, it's Bruce! Is that you, Bruce? Hi! Our friends are here. Oh, you're vlogging?
Pwede ba kami pumasok?
Hindi. No! Nakita niyo yan? Nakita niyo yan? Sinusubukan ako ng bawal. Kuya, wag po. Ayoko masubukan.
Kapatid mo. Hello.
Hello ka po sa vlog ko.
Nagbo-vlog si Abby. Okay lang.
Nagbo-vlog.
May bayad yan. Artista na yan eh.
Ay, shit. Didelete ko na lang.
Muay Thai star na yan.
Tignan mo to, Zach. Galaw ka. Ay, dinedetect ka. Galaw ka, galaw.
Ginarge ko yung pad ko eh.
Oh.
Putang ina, hindi ko siya madodge. Sige nga, tago ka. Kailangan mo magtago.
Ay, pinatay ko. Teka.
Ay, saan dati? Dito.
Gago.
Nung walang hip-hop, lahat ng doctoral.
Grabe, friends. Ano ba? Ingay naman ng katok-katok na to. Grabe. Diba, kaninang May 29, 10 p.m. Sabi ko, mag-grind ako. Tapos biglang dumating nga yung friends ko and yung boyfriend and sister ko, which is friend ko din, best friend ko din. Dinimonyo nila ako, wag na daw muna ako gumawa. Tapos anong ginawa nila? Naglaro lang sila ng Flesh and Blood. Yun ang nilaro nila. Tapos, yung kapatid ko, tinulungan ko sa teaser ng thesis film niya. Oh, by the way, skincare with me. This is the Madagascar. The Skin 1004 na Madagascar Centella hindi niyo ba nakikita? Ayun, Centella Ampule Eme. Voice actor. Oh, actually, I'm one of the actors in the film. Pero, actually, di ko alam kung pwede na ito i-post by the time na in-edit ko to. Pero, papaalam muna ako. Eh, pag nakita nyo, edi ibig sabihin, pwede. Kasi, syempre, promotion pa din yun. Accepting sponsors. Oh my goodness. This is The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors Plus. Is this hyaluronic acid? I think so. Kasi HA. Tomorrow, maghabol ako ng tulog. And then, kasi my ate is gonna be here by Saturday until Monday. So I can't do much over the weekends, but I have to at least finish the spaceship tomorrow. Para, alam yan, tapos. Tas yung trim sheet kasi, super dali na. Ba't hindi yun unahin ko? Hindi, kasi gusto ko spaceship agad. Kasi, super dali nga lang ng parang game plan ko, diba? Sa spaceship. So, ang pampahirap na gagawin ko para sa sarili ko, imamodel ko din si Rick and si Morty. Oh my god, am I the first AGD vlogger in YouTube? Oh my god! Pwede yan, a day in the life of a student in FEU. Ano bang, baka naman ma-demanda ako ng siguro. Wag naman po. Wag naman sana. Naghahanap buhay lang naman po. Pero yan, I am a student of FEU of the Alabank. Sobrang saya. Alam niyo ba ano yung best gaming chair? Laan niyo. Monoblock. Tapos kinuha ng brother ko yung monoblock. Anong naging gaming chair ko? Stool. Sakit sa likod. Erp. Diyan lang kayo. I'm gonna set the mood. Panis. POV. Oh, roommates. Roommates, napaka-close naman ng roommates na yan. Ay, puta ka! I'm sorry! Nalaglag ko nga! Nalaglag! Wag. Huwag kayo iyak. Sorry! I have a special skill, everyone. I can talk like sa Animal Crossing. Kako na yan. Ina, galing. Teka. makeup. Oh. Oh my gosh, pwede siyang ano. Ganyan. Our whole universe is in a hot dance state. Tama na, balik. Good morning, everyone. Afternoon na pala. How do I look? I just finished getting ready for... Kasi biglang dumating yung mom ko. Tapos nasa Bellevue siya. We're going to Bellevue. So, ayun. Ayos ako. It's my fit check. Here is what I look like. I wanted to look kinda put together kasi I'm not in a good mood. So, I want to look good na lang. But anyway, here's what I look like. Then I'm gonna wear Onitsuka, whatever. Pero, ayan. It's not perfect! I know it's not. It's not. But anyway, ayun. Ang makeup, halo-halo. So, let me dissect the look. Even if hindi siya satisfying for me totally. The concealer and the color corrector is from Get Ready With Me. And then, pati yung sa kilay, it's Get Ready With Me. Tapos yung the eyeliner I used, yung wing, is Heroin. I think it's Heroin Make. Tapos yung pang tight line, I used yung gel liner ng Izzy. It's my second time using the gel liner. So I'm not kinda used to it. But I think I did good naman. And then, ang aking contour here sa nose is Peri-Pera. Then, I used cream blush na Get Ready With Me in Hokkaido. And then, nag-contour din ako ng cream na Lucky Beauty. And then, nagpatong ako ng Peri-Pera na contour na powder. Tapos NARS and Dolce Vita. I finally got the NARS blush. Ayan. Yun yung pinatong ko. Ano pa ba? Ano bang kulang? Yung highlighter ko sa inner corners and sa nose is Get Ready With Me also. Tapos yung aking lipstick, it's Lucky Beauty in Vogue, I think. So, that's the look. Pinlansya ko lang yung bangs ko. My perfume is also Lucky Beauty. I used yung Stories of Diary of a Lady. Ayun. I've been trying to get into Lucky Beauty products lately. Yeah, it is Diary of a Lady. I will be driving. Papagas muna ako. And I will be taking you guys with me. And parang wala yung iPad ko. Kasi I'm an iPad kid. Charger ko dito. Ayan. Inuna pa kasi magdaldal. Maiwan pa ang gamit-gamit. Tignan nyo. Hindi inayos si Manivela, pinark. May basura dito. Ang gulo ng cable. Ano kaya yun? Parang tanga.
Makakadili na ako mag-vlog sa corners. Kasi wala akong mapagpatuloy. Malalaglag siya. Anyway,
We are in Bellevue parking na. Nagbay lang kami ng Burger King pang pa-quench ng aming thirst. And alam mo yun, medyo gutom na din kami. Pinababa ko muna yung bags para ma-address ko ng maayos. Women in STEM. Women in STEM, nag-ano lang, nag-park lang. Napakadali lang mag-park. Ikaw, baliw ka, di naman alam ni ate yung festi masyado. Inutos-utusan mo pa siyang pumunta sa kung san-san. Alam mo namang di naman madala si ate dito. Nakita ko yung chat nung ano yun, nandito na kayo. Sabi pa ni Jared, punta ka dito sa may bilyaran. Eh, paano malalaman ni ate sa inyong bilyaran?
Nag-ikot-ikot kaya ako. Naligaw-ligaw na.
Jared, hindi ba dito? Ay, ano ba to? Oh, wow! Buffet pataas. Ang galing naman. Alam ng baby na to. Here we are, guys. Everyone say hello. Dati, tuwing may event or umuwi ng Laguna ng South, dito tayo nag-check-in, diba? Tapos, like, if Mother's Day, dito kami ng Tapos may time na bumili kami ni Daddy ng Mother's Day flowers na parang may drawer. Tapos sa loob ng drawer, puro macarons. Hi! Bakit ganyan yung mukha mo? Di niya alam? Di niya alam?
I have a surprise ate. Sabi kong gano'n. Sabi niya, I saw her hair. Ikaw.
Yeah, I saw your hair.
Si Johan, tsaka si Joaquin. Sabi niya, malaking wato. Sabi ko, isang king size nga lang.
Hindi pa upgrade kay Lolo. Ng presidential suite.
Ay, wow.
Sa dami ba naman namin?
Ayun lang. Ayun. Yung ate mo, nag-dress up.
Wow! Like, sinalala mo ng baby ka, lagi tayo nandito. Dahil sa'yo. Oh my goodness, we are in the hotel room.
Room tour.
Room tour. CR tour muna. Kasi yun yung favorite thing ko about hotels. CRs. Hi! Mga ako sinabihan.
May bayad pa kami dyan.
I miss my princess banana bread. Ah? Princess cheese rings. Culver cheese rings. Roller coaster. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Would it think my collection's complete? Would
Kailan pa yun dyan ka din natulog?
Gagawin naman ako sa kalsa na to.
Special lang to.
May bayad ba kami dyan?
Wala.
Baboy. May special participation lang. Shout out.
Buti nga i-feature ko kayo.
Oh, okay.
Gusto nyo ilagay ko pa Instagram nyo.
Naliligo?
Naliligo, go. Upgrade ako. Here is my espresso machine.
Nalimutan ko nga na may ganyan ka.
Alam,
Yun.
nalimutan ko dun. Charot.
Sana pala yung pa yun, no?
Di tinigil ko kasi, you know, mental stuff.
Naalala ko lang nung nag-ano ka na, ano yun, nag-story ka na kung mag-vlog ka na ba ulit. Ano ko sa may ganyan kang mga
This is my lolo. Lolo, say hi
Hi!
to my vlog. Yan.
Hi! Hi!
Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Ikaw din yan. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi! Hello! May demonyo! May demonyo!
It's spinning. It's spinning.
with breakfast. Alam mo, kuha na natin ng bed lahat. Hindi pwede. Isa lang ako.
Kuhanan na lang ng room lahat.
How they're debating about it.
Just get the
Alam mo may
the
difference
breakfast.
Dapat, kuhanan na lang ng room isa-isa. Kunin natin yung isang buong floor.
Yeah, that's good.
This is my handsome lolo.
Maring kukuha naman ng isang
Lexi.
Nalilito na ako!
Lexi.
Nakuha na ba yung order?
Ang daming pinapagawa. Ano ba?
Johan, get the order na. Oh.
Okay.
We are off to buy Jollibee for dinner. Ako, bahala na ang mundo. Wow!
Hulk yan.
Hulk smash. So guys, what do you think? If nilagay mo yung hammer ni Thor sa elevator, tataas ba ang elevator? But is the elevator worthy?
Hindi naman yun yung ano eh.
It's based off, from what I know, kasi it's based off living eh. Yung worthiness niya.
But if it's an inanimate object, they can still lift it.
Alam niyo ba, ginagago ko lang kayo?
Okay.
Oh, bakit sarap? Bawal na tayo lumabas. Oh my gosh, Johan. Sabi mo nga, oh my God, I got pulled over.
Oh my god, I got pulled over.
Police pull me over?
You're like Ray Ray.
You're like, okay, what?
Di ba, Jared?
You're like
Ray Ray yun, di ba?
My guy.
Yung friend ni Kai.
Ray.
Oo.
Ray sa natin eh.
Kaano yun, ka-vibes ni Johan, ah. Oh my goodness.
Tubig lang yan. Kung may lagdat ka na, walang problema.
Why would you get sick
If you're already sick,
if
what's
you're
the
already
problem?
sick? That is correct. That is correct.
If the problem's already there, there's no problem left to be there.
Indeed. Oh, tignan mo.
Hubad ko na to, lalo
Why would you be afraid of the rain if you're wearing swim
Bumaba
shorts?
rin nga to, handa na ako lumangoy.
Yung mga yung sinasabi ni Daddy dati. Kapag swimming, baka mabasa ka. Kapag umuulan.
Oo. Oh my goodness.
Well, if it's raining, it makes more sense eh.
It's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Ay, BRB guys, it's raining hard. I got so basa. Kasi nawala yung lens ng camera ko. So, bakit? Sobrang madali ko, nawala siya. I'm gonna go look for it again.
Sa Jollibee, kasi ako kumain mga 11 pa. That's why I'm more hungry late in my head than I actually might be. So that's why I'm not pursuing any of it.
I found it in the sidewalk right before I turned off the camera. Naligo ako sa ulan to look for it. But I found it.
Saan? Dito ang Jollibee pala.
Hindi yung kailangan, mayroon kang ano eh. Yung naka-makeup ka talaga eh.
Oo nga. Meron ba to by color? Ito one day. Nakakatawa kasi yung yung store name is Olola. Pero pag pinindot mo yung shop niya, mukha siyang Imong Lola. Imong Lola Global Store. Parang siyang Mikhail. Ako sa rin. Parang ewan yan eh. Minsan gumagamit yun ng expired na contact lens.
Hindi nga niya kailangan.
Hindi kasi dati di ba mahilig siya maggawa ng looks na kakaiba. Yung puti lang ng may goodness. Gusto ko, ang pinaka gusto ko matry is yung parang greenish. Wala siya nun. Yung mga favorite GD songs ko pala is GD Top. Feeling mo ba ate, babagay sa akin ang Gren? Hindi ko.
Siguro Like, kailangan ko lang siyang ano ng makeup.
True.
Oh shit.
6 months, 1 pair. 1 pair.
2 pack.
Eh, 1 pair siya. Ay,
Ay, longer.
lalagyan kong grado yung mata ko. Oh, teka, oh my god, natataya ako, BRB. Tapos na akong dumebs. Pero si ate naman. Tapos maliligo na ako. Ako ay mag-window shopping muna.
Officially, nag-ano na talaga ako sa tita. Taira ko.
Why?
Every night na ako nagka-chamomile tea.
Mm.
Diba?
Does it help with your PCOS?
No. Pero it helps me sleep.
Ah,
Ang sarap ng tulog ko pag nakaganon. Talagang deep.
yung problem ko kasi pag magsisleeping pills, late ko na naalala. So parang,
Late ka na nag-start.
oo, so tulad kanina, gising ako hanggang 7 a.m. Tapos bakit nagising ako hanggang 7 a.m.?
Then,
What's your valid excuse?
what?
I said I was awake until 7.
Yeah.
Ate, parang similar lang naman yung price point ng Olens sa imong lola.
Baka naka-sale yung Onyx ngayon. Kasi ano pwede sale. Kasi pag hindi siya sale, 1 plus yan.
Oh my god, yung 1 day, 10 pieces siya.
Oo.
Kala ko isang piraso lang.
Hindi, more on 5 pairs.
Okay. Kids.
Walang Netflix.
Love you.
Is it Chinese?
Love you.
Is that Chinese?
Did you eat na? Siya. It's like Mentos. You like it? Go play na. Good morning. We are having breakfast. And we're at the breakfast buffet. What do you want? Cereal? There's sushi. Wow. So this is my food. And then I got soup. And I also got bread and custard and then mac. Mr. Satan. I got my omelette. So we're gonna try to finish this because I am counting it. Just with a warm soup. Ate, you try na. With the boba.
Stop it! Stop it!
I wasn't even doing anything.
Did you see?
Can you say it again? Can I please have some more, sir? Can I please have more, sir?
So cute. What can you say about the food here?
With British accent. Yummy!
The cereal was yummy.
Aren't you going to ask me, ma'am?
The branded cereal was yummy.
Edi wag. Ikaw na.
Ikaw na magsalita.
Ano yun?
Repeat the question. Exactly. That's on Syrian.
Indeed. What do you think of the food?
If I'm being honest, it was kind of sad in some parts. I could feel it crying.
I mostly just got taho and bacon, so that's pretty good, I guess. Very sweet.
Food is okay. The tao is yummy. It's okay, but I'm more of how much will I pay?
It's not as good as before.
How about you, Mia?
Nag-swim na ang siblings and cousins. Kami di Ate Gwen, magsiswimming.
Ang mga tita.
We're gonna swim. Ay, baliktad. We're gonna swim in our room. Alam mo saan tayo babawi? Sa bathtub.
Doon na lang mag-love-love.
Oo. Ay, nagka-zoom siya.
Love-love doon. Matagal yata mapuno yun.
Hindi ako lang yun. Naantok ako kaya hindi ako sumama. Oh, siya din, di ba?
Captured.
Ang sarap kasi matulog, busog tayo.
Tapos ang lamig-lamig.
Tsaka hindi ako magsuswim kasi kagagaling ko lang sa lagnat. Pati din to. We are the sakitin sisters.
Mga tita na pala.
Sakit-sakit na yung kaso-kaso. Sunod dyan, may gout na tayo.
Don't invite.
I rebuke. Oh.
Ano?
Pick a struggle.
Alam mo yung pinapainit ko yung ano, pero ang lamig pa din niya.
Oh.
Ginaganon ko, no?
Yung kumot. Alam niyo paano ako natulog kagabi? Kita niyo yung chair na yan. Ito. Kinanek sa isang chair na to. Tapos naka-curl up lang ako. Tapos ang kumot ko is bathrobe. So, to be fair, nag-ROI naman ako ngayon sa kama. Diba ate? Bumabawi ako. Hindi ko kailangan mag-swimming. Gusto ko talaga yung shower nila. Sarap. Sarap ng shower nila. Para kang inuulanan na malakas. Come here! Come here! Come here! Come here!
Look, I can
Say hi! Hey! 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 Say hi! Say hi!
Hi! Help me!
She hit my nose.
What?
She hit my nose.
Hey! 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 Sige ba? You dance! You dance more!
Hoy!
Oh, God! Oh, God!
Ate for today. Inat!
Come in! Jump in the water!
I can't.
Can you say, can I have some more?
Can I have some more?
Can I have some more?
Can I have some more, please?
How about you? Come here. Come here. Come here for the vlog. Isa lang eh. Isa lang eh. Isa lang. Billy, Billy, come here.
Can I have some more, sir?
I just woke up. I will do skincare first and then makeup. Mag-makeup pa ba ako? Pauwi mo na lang muna tayo.
The dilemma.
Pero kasi, nag-makeup ako right now. And then later, I don't need to make up. So, I will skincare first.
Naka-phone na.
Ang weird pala pag iba gumagawa.
Walang pakailan. Tiga,
Kaya na
sabi.
lang wala bakit ayaw
Ah,
ulit.
wala. Wala. Walang pakailan.
She is crazy.
Stop it! You're haunting me!
I'm not even doing anything crazy.
Kala ko sinasabihan niya yung sarili niya.
She's crazy, right? Guys, you saw. Wait.
Ayoko na.
Hindi na.
Ayoko na. Dude.
And I'm forever alone. Oo nga, no? We are in... Our baby is awake. So, si ate is going to meet with the parents of the parents of the meet. Before mag-meet the parents si ate Gwen. So, we are going to Sunny's muna.
Laka din pala yun.
Hala! Hala!
Pride month? Tignan mo straight.
Nako! Happy Pride Month to us and Ate Gwen din. Kasi syempre, LGBTQIA+ is straight is also part of it. Nakapunta na tayo dito dati. Naalala mo yun? Yung hagdan na yun. Yun yung bumili tayo ng Durabox natin. Yung cabinet natin. Natandaan ko yun kasi akyat-akyat si Lexi dyan sa hagdan na yan na may LED. Alam niyo, pangarap ko maging figure skater nung bata ko. Kaso ayoko payagan ng magulang ko mag-ice skating kasi piki ako noon. Bad trip. Uy, si ano, Bam? Bam. You wanna check inside? What is this? Uy, ba't may pangalan? Pwede pala siya i-customize ng may name. Or yan yung shade? Hindi eh. What is it? Uy, si Kendra to, diba? Sister Rain, can you hold it more? Gusto ko na ng... Ay! Sorry. What do you think of this formula? And I'm trying to look for a nice quality eyeliner kasi yung pink flash wala na siya.
Not working anymore.
For me, para siyang oh,
Wow.
it's not budging.
Wow.
Pag ano lang,
Gel pencil mo.
you try. Ito yung binili ka. Yung pinangta tight line ko.
Wow.
It's gliding.
It's creamy.
Maganda din daw yung gelée.
Ano yan?
I don't think so. Wait, do they have the prime? They changed the packaging na din. Oh my God, try mo. I love. Try mo yung blue. I wanna see them.
Ito yung blue. Ito yung white. Gusto ko itong purple.
Wait, di ko to nakikita sa sa Shopee. This one.
Pegasus. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Uy, gago. Ang ganda. I want. Wait, yan na birthday gift ko sa'yo.
Birthday gift.
Yan na birthday gift ko sa'yo. Huwag kang bibili.
This one and this one.
Wait, ituro mo. Sasama ko sa camera.
Ito ang tatlong to. Magkasama. Bet. Pero pinaka-bet ko dyan. Itong
Si
blue.
Sky. Si Koy Koy.
Sky.
Tapos dito yung Legacy.
Maganda din yung Pegasus. Try mo nga yung
Legacy
Cosmic.
and Pegasus.
Tsaka ito, last na to. Ay, maganda din siya. Sino yun? Si Cosmic.
Ano ito, try ko?
Maganda. Wow. Gago. Ganda nito. Gago.
God, wait lang. Asan yung isa?
Gusto mo ba dito blue? Gago, bibiling ko na tong lahat. Ay, parang sakto lang for me yung corner. Sunny, I mean,
Asan ba yung ano?
Get Ready With Me yung sa left, tapos Easy yung sa right. Look, everyone, it is like a terrarium.
Maliit na Jollibee dito.
Ayoko nga.
Bakit ganon?
Where is it? Apparently, it's just a stall. I kind of expected the, ano siya, store siya, not a stall. Sabi nila, parang this is based sa parang shell ng mussels. Kaya ganun yung shape.
Halos same shape lang po.
This too.
Neutral lang to.
What is this? Okay. Let us try some stuff. This is the easy line. Is it just me or it's slightly opaque?
Parang same sila nung Get Ready With Me. Or nasa middle siguro.
Baka. Let's check. Wow, discotheque. Disco, good.
Hi guys. Grabe yung panaginip ko, Ate Abby. Kanina? Oo. On the way dito? Hindi, yung nasa, ano tayo, hotel. Tayong tatlo ni Ate Gwen, may inaaway tayong tatlong guy. Kasi, hindi ko alam kung tayo nagpapaupa or tayong umuupa. Tapos, may isang side na hindi nakapagbayad. So, sinugod natin sila. Tapos, nakakainis kasi ang yabang pa nilang tignan. Like, sobrang detail ng dreams mo pala. I know, right? Tapos natatandaan ko siya. Even yung emotions. Tapos, pwede ko ba ikwento yung rude moment kanina? Kanina, nakakainis ang mga ganong tao. Yung mag-open ng door sa mall, kunwari yung sa exit or entrance. Tapos, hindi sila gentle kasi baka may tao sa likod nila or something. Nagamanan sa amin kanina, tapos naka-earpod siya. Yung pagsara niya ng door, yung pagsara niya ng door, hindi pa yung maayos na sara. Padabog siya, ramdam mo yung inis niya. Tapos itsura niya. Don't you ever do that. That's plain rude. Rude. That's rude. Guys, what is... What? He listens to our yaps every time. Ah, si ano? Ay, pangalanan nga natin siya. Sabis. Kanina, nagtutype pala yun. Nagtutype si Ate Abby sa, directory. Tapos nahanap namin yung Sunny's face. Tapos sobrang bilis niya kasi mag-type. Yung na-type niya, Sabis. Sabi ni Ate Gwen, Sabis. Okay, lubat na ulit ako. Bye, guys. Bye! Hi! Bye! Sabis.
circus. And okay po naman ang look for today. Tanggalin ko na ito. Wow, natanggal yung blackheads. Agay. Pagod na ako. Ayoko na. May school pa ako bukas. Anong oras? 7 a.m. But this was the look. So, the circus, it was so fun. Nakakatakot lang kasi I just finished binge watching Final Destination. So, na-wear test ang aking Skintific. Oh, if I wasn't able to tell you guys, my shade was ivory. I think okay naman yung shade match kasi it worked well naman. Lobat na ako. Like, I'm physically and mentally tired. Also, I want to buy that Kiko Milano eyeliner. Tanggal na yung eyeliner ko. Ata. Medyo wonky yung lines kasi I applied it while the car was running. Kasi nagmamadali si mami. What do you guys think of makeup? And the shade match? I think the shade match went well. Did it not? Or baka tanga lang ako? Baka bulog ako. My eyes are broken. I don't know if I've been doing well with my makeup lately. My favorite mouse, Rock Talan Air. Supposedly I got glass skates for my mouse and Cyberpunk because I love Cyberpunk. Have you guys seen Cyberpunk? Yung anime. It's so good. Teka, tanggalin na nga natin to. Hindi pa ako natutuwa. Paano ba? Paano? Ayoko na. Agay. I'm hungry and I'm tired and my hair is crazy. So, if you know me, I don't often wash my hair every day. I wash it every after like 2 days. What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? And I don't normally part my hair sideways. It's usually in the middle. Whoa, what if I cut my hair like this?